Hey everyone, today we are gonna see how to deploy a React app to Firebase. First of all, you need to have Firebase CLI installed by running this command npm install g Firebase tools. It will be installed globally so you can use in whatever project you want. After that, you need to log into Firebase by running this command. Just let me open the terminal and show you. All you have to say is Firebase login. I have already logged into Firebase, but for you it will open a new browser window where you will have to select your Google account, and then the window disappears and you will be logged into Firebase. After that, what you have to do is go to your Firebase console. Okay, so this is the URL console.firebase.google.com. Here you will have to create a new project. So here you have to give your project a name. I'm gonna call it React Firebase. Hit continue, disable all these and hit create project. This will take a while. So meanwhile, to deploy any React application, you will have to build its production version. Okay, to build that, just go to your terminal and run npm run build. Okay, npm run build. So what this will do is it will build a production version of your app by adding a new folder called build, which you will see in a second. So here it is guys, it has built a production version. So you can see here it is the build folder. So now all you have to do is just go to the terminal and say Firebase init. So you have to select here. Now you can select this by by selecting from the space key of your keyboard, and I'm using the arrow keys to move up and down. Okay, so here you can see there's this hosting option which you can select by entering space and hit enter. So here you can see we have a few options. Use an existing project, create a new project. Okay, so just select use an existing project. It's gonna fetch all the projects that you have in your Firebase account. So you can see we have this React Firebase project which we have just created. Select that. So it's asking to specify the public directory, which in our case is the build folder. So type build and hit enter. Configure as a single page app. Yes. You can also deploy automatically by GitHub, but in this case we are not going to do that, so no. So here also just hit no. So yeah, it has done. The Firebase initialization has completed. All you have to do is just run Firebase deploy. It's going to deploy your app to a specific URL. So as you can see, the process has completed. It gives you the hosting URL. You can follow this by clicking Control and hit. So here it is guys, this is the project URL. Okay, let me just make this bigger. So here it is hosted as React Firebase. So this is how you can host a React app to Firebase. Thanks for watching guys, hope you have liked it. This is basically my first video so I have fumbled a little bit, excuse that. Thank you, take care.